Meet the bee. Nature's tiny, buzzing powerhouse. These incredible insects play a vital role in pollinating our plants. They zip from flower to flower, collecting nectar for honey. But it's not just about the sweet stuff, they're crucial for biodiversity. Working tirelessly, bees pollinate around 70% of the world's crops. That's a big job for such a small creature. Sadly, bees face many threats, from pesticides to habitat loss. We must protect these vital pollinators. Remember, every time you enjoy a fresh fruit or vegetable, say a small thank you to our friends, the bees.